Oh, so he wants
You're coming to my video, yeah? You want to come?
sure, sure, yeah.
So basically we have a brother, Algerian brother. Salam alaikum, my brother. So Algerian brother, he asking me what is it all about? Who is Amina? And I'm trying to explain to our brother, Algerian brother, who is Amina. So basically, Amina Girikhanova, she's a Chechen woman.
Right.
She was kidnapped by Kadirovits. She was tortured, humiliated, and her mom was killed as well. And as they're doing to all Muslim Chechen people, Kadyrov is the Putin's puppet who was put specifically by Putin to the government to humiliate, to finish off with Chechens, to degrade them, to load them, to do all the illegal things, like to finish off, because they bring the whole generation, Putin's generation, and now what they're doing, they're fighting in Ukraine with our enemy, because Russia was for hundreds of years killing Chechens.
Yeah, of course.
Hundreds of years.
Everyone knows.
And now, Kadyrov, he brings up the whole generation and he sends them to Ukraine to kill Ukrainians.
Yeah, true.
Ukraine never attacked Chechnya.
They are in the front, the
yes,
Chechens,
in the front line, So basically, Amina Girikhanova, after she's been humiliated, after she's been kidnapped and tortured, all the bad things. Because of she's Muslim. Because she's a proper Muslim.
But Chechen is a Muslim country.
They are,
I believe that Kadyrov is a Muslim.
No, he's a munafiq. If there is munafiq in this planet, he's the number one, because he's only hunting for true Muslim believers. So basically, Amina Girikhanova, after she's been humiliated and kidnapped, tortured, all that, she ran away from there and she went to Ukraine. She was living in Ukraine and she was very happy there. All was okay. She had no issues. But when recently, as we know, Russia went attacked to Ukraine, she had to escape second time from Russian terror, because Russian terror run by Kadyrov in Chechnya, she ran away first. And now when the Russia attacked Ukraine, second time she escaped from the Russian terror, from the same Russian regime, and she was coming to Europe, to one of the European countries. And when she approaching the Romanian border, she was arrested by Romanian police. Why? Because Kadyrov, he put her to the Interpol system. Look, we're campaigning, we're saying stop Russia's membership in Interpol, because
but
Russia
why Amina? What's Kadyrov's problem with Amina specifically? Because he left all the women and he wants to Amina.
No, because he's targeting all women who is true Muslim, who are against their terrorist regime. But anyway, because she ran away from her husband was fighting in Syria. Her husband,
okay.
He was killed long time ago. He died. He died in Syria. But she is nothing to do with that. What Kadyrov is saying, because look,
he's accusing her of.
He's accusing her. She's saying that she is in Syria, fighting with ISIS. Amina Girikhanova never went to Syria.
So he has no proofs or...
No. We have all the evidence that she was living in Ukraine.
And that's
so we asking Romania, do not believe for the false accusations by Russia and release Amina Girikhanova. She's innocent lady. They saying Russia says she's in Syria fighting with ISIS, but we have all the evidence, and she was working in a masjid, She was living with her child, 8-year-old child. Since little child, she bring up 8-year-old child, has been separated, she's in prison. They keep her 180 days in prison, and then they said they're going to release her, because for 180 days, if you don't convict her, no conviction, no charges, they have to release her. So they said, okay, we're releasing her, and we got the accommodation sorted out, everything. And then on the day of her release, four officers arrest her, and they put her to deportation center. And now they trying to deport her to Russia. Wallahi, brother, in Russia, in a prison in Russia, because imagine Russia blaming her, accusing her of being terrorist, and if they deport her to Russia, she's getting minimum 15 years jail, and that means she'll never come out, because in Russian jails they are raping even men.
For nothing.
You go to Gulag.net, check in Gulag.net, they show you literally videos how Russian prisoners, they are raping men with a mop. It is shameful, disgusting to talk even, but this is the fact. The Russian prisons are the worst breach of human rights. So as I'm a human rights activist and I'm a blogger, Chechen blogger in English, I came out to protect the honor of our Muslim sister. Wallahi, uqsum billahi al-azim, if she's sent back to Russia, she will be humiliated. I cannot stand that our Muslim sister will be humiliated by those terrorists. They are the real terrorists. And today the whole world can see, you know, for the 22 years since the Russian invasion our country, Russia blaming Chechens of being terrorists. Yeah. But anybody who against them. So now today the world see that when they attack Ukraine, the whole world see. The world kept quiet when they're killing Chechens. They say, okay, Russia fighting with terrorists. But now today they see who is the real terrorist. So no one call us terrorists now. Now the world see Chechen will fight for freedom, for justice, for the haq. And that's why I'm campaigning for. Sorry if it's not.
You, brother. We support you. May Allah be with you. May Allah guide you, inshallah. Freedom for Amina, inshallah.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair, brother.
Leave me your social
I will do.
Media.
It's Chechen blogger in English. You can subscribe
blogger,
and you will see yourself. But I'm going to upload
we'll support
it
you,
later
inshallah. We'll support you, inshallah, brother. Inshallah. You're fighting for the good cause, inshallah.
Well, we're fighting only for justice. Only for the justice.
Waffaqak Allah, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair. May Allah be pleased
with you. Make sure you
brother.
support our brother.
Yes,
Make
brother.
sure
Algerian brothers.
Brother,
Algerian brothers support. Wa alaikum assalam, brother. Respect, yeah? Take care, akhi. Thank you. So here we had Algerian brother supporting Amina Girikhanova. I'm gonna end this video on this one and we'll see you on the next video. Assalamu alaikum.